Good evening, everybody. Welcome to tonight's episode of Drunken Sailor. Glad you could join us again this evening. We've got a great cocktail that we've got planned for you. This is unique in that every ingredient you taste on every sip, it's extremely well balanced. It is called the Elderflower Gin Cocktail. I think it's something that even if you don't like gin, you will enjoy this one. So with that, let's get this pour started. First off, this is Empress 1908 gin, and we're going to use 2.5 ounces, and that is going into the shaker. Check out the color on that. Next, we're going to use 1/2 ounce of Elderflower Liqueur. Next, we're using 1/2 ounce of Cointreau. Now you can use any orange flavored liqueur, so if you want to use triple sec, if you want to use Grand Marnier, those are all acceptable substitutes for it there. Next, we're going to start putting our non-alcoholic ingredients in there, and we're using 1/2 ounce of fresh lemon juice. And I already measured that, so I don't have it. And finally, 1/2 ounce of Agave Nectar. And that goes in there. Those are all our ingredients. Now what we need to do is add ice. Put the top on the shaker, and we're going to give this a good shake, about 20 seconds. And now, for the piece de resistance, look at the color on this. Garnish on it is just a simple lemon twist. So give it a little express on there. Wipe it around. Put that in there. And that is our Empress Gin Cocktail. And believe it or not, somebody's here to give it a taste.
Yes, indeed I am. That's an explosion in your mouth. It's wonderful.
Okay, you've heard it here. So remember, if you like it, subscribe to us on YouTube as Drunken Sailor. If you don't use YouTube, go to TikTok, look for KM Spinell. We're there. And remember, as always, drink responsibly.